In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a debt consolidation loan with bad credit. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A debt consolidation loan can help you combine multiple debts into a single, often lower interest loan. Even with bad credit, there are going to be options available. And in this video, I'm going to showcase two places online where you will be able to get a debt consolidation loan. And I'm also going to give you general tips on what to do. So first, for you to improve your credit score, always pay the bills on time, reduce credit card balances, and dispute errors. By following these steps, you will be able to better your credit history and of course avoid situations like these. So consider secured loans. You will be able to use assets as collaterals and of course always be mindful of risks. Now, for this video, the two places that I want to showcase are going to be Prosper and Avant. You will be able to visit their websites at avant.com and prosper.com. And if you go over to loans, you will notice that both of them have actual debt consolidation loans. So you can explore the terms and the offers that they have here. You will be able to use these calculators and set up how much you need to pay off, how much you can pay monthly, interest rate, credit score, and so on. And you will be able to check the custom rates that they have available for you. When you click on check your options or apply, you will be able to proceed and start including the amount that you want, the purpose, so that consolidation, and then an email address to sign up to use their services. You can also call them at this number if you would like to call and talk to one of their representatives. Now, as you can see, this includes a lot of personal information. Because of the nature of YouTube, I can't show you all of this on screen, but regardless, you will be able to do this process on your own and include all of the necessary information. So you will be able to choose your primary source of income, the annual income that you have, any additional income, and then monthly rate or mortgage payment. And you will be able to see that the offers that they have. Don't worry, just checking the offers that they have will not affect the actual payments or the credit score that you have. So all that you have to do is include this information to be able to check the offers that they have available. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a debt consolidation loan with bad credit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.